Let us have another example on machine axis control using polar as our orientation vector. So if you look at the machine limits, go to the simulation page, select the machine tool. If you move the y-axis manually, you can able to see it can't reach this particular PCD of the drilling holes. But if you look at the rear side of this, you can able to reach. So we can convert this as a polar drilling toolpath instead of a linear programming. For that, go to your settings page, refresh the toolpath, go to the machine axis control page, select the polar as your orientation vector. Here you can select Y or X axis as your lock position. So for this, I'm using a Y axis. So I'm calculating this toolpath here. So now you can able to see the links are very straight to the hole position. So if you would like to change it to an circular motion or polar links, go to the settings again, go to the machine axis control. Now use the polar link option from here. It is available in the rapid moves page and recalculate the toolpath. Now you can able to see the links are in a circular form. So let me simulate this toolpath. So the x-axis get locked and that c-axis is getting rotated to reach that location. I'll show you one more example of creating a milling toolpath on this part for this particular slot. For that, I'm selecting the top surface, creating a boundary over that surface here using a user-defined boundary. Switch off my model for a while and select these two slots and right click and say invert selection to delete the rest of the boundary. So for this, I'm creating a constant Z toolpath here. Select the tool, go to your machine axis control page. I'm using y-axis as my lock position and offset is 0. If you would like to offset from the center also, you can do it from here and calculate the toolpath to make a polar milling option. Let me have a quick look about this simulation also. You can able to see the simulation, the c-axis is rotating and you can cut the slot fully without reaching its y-axis limit.